Now, whether you love it or you hate it, Google Assistant जो है it lives on your Android phones. Now you have the choice कि आपको enable करना है या disable करना है, but sometimes I really do enjoy how easy it makes a lot of things. अब मेरे हिसाब से those people that don't use Google Assistant on their phone is because they don't know the true power of it. वो जो है normal use करते हैं, बोलते हैं यार that's okay, I don't really need it. There is some real power inside. जो normal usage है, you know that. You can have reminders, calendar, navigate your schedule. You can actually get restaurant recommendations. कोई भी information आपको कहीं पे चाहिए, you can actually test your knowledge also, trivia also, special commands, and to even control your smart devices in a smart home. That's the normal way most people will actually use Google Assistant. But there are actually some really powerful things that you are not doing. ऐसी चीजें Google Assistant can help you with everyday things that make life really easy. इस वीडियो में I'm sharing my personal list of some features on Google Assistant that I use a lot. This is my daily usage. Do remember, अगर आपने enable नहीं किया है to enable voice detection for these, and if you're confused how to do it, सबसे आसान तरीका ये है, long press करिए menu icon on your phone, और जब menu shows up, just ask it to enable OK Google. Simple and easy way to get started. So सबसे पहला feature that I use almost every day is I use the assistant to read aloud content while, let's say, I'm driving or I'm not near my phone या phone मेरे side पे पड़ा है, I use it. It works especially well for pages with a lot of written content, जैसे कि you're on Wikipedia or any other supported page. Once you're on that page, just say OK Google, and जब वो prompt करेगा, tell Google to read this page.
Is a mountain range in Asia separating the plains of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan
Give
plateau.
it a moment and it just starts reading it. It's really good. It's like almost making anything on the net into an audiobook. Okay, second most used command जो मैं Google Assistant के साथ करता हूँ is actually talking to it about traffic. Just say OK Google and then ask it, for example, आप पूछिए उनको, will there be traffic on my way to the airport or on my way to the office or coming back home? वो आपको traffic conditions के बारे में बताएगा, how much time you might actually take, all of that without even glancing at your phone. You can further ask it to start navigating that route and get started. Number 3, again, super helpful for travelers. Look, I'm sorry, मैंने word traveler use किया है if I've hurt any feelings right now, but don't worry, things will soon be fine. One day we all will be traveling again. और उस time पे you can use this feature a lot. Right now थोड़ा सा practice कर लेते हैं, have some fun with it at home and enable this assistant and try it out. You can actually use this for translating, or it works beautifully. उसको बोलिए this is the language that you wish to be translated to. Let's say you want English and Malayalam. That's it. It becomes a two-way translator, and you just press the English mic and you speak in English. और दूसरी तरफ से Malayalam translation जो है, it will actually be spoken back. And then if you, let's say there is somebody else who knows Malayalam, that person will press the Malayalam mic part of it, speak in Malayalam, and you will actually get the phone to speak to you in English. So enjoy the English translation. बहुत सारी languages हैं that actually support auto detection, so you don't even have to do this entire thing of pressing that particular mic. It just works one-to-one. You speak, the other person speaks, works brilliantly. मैंने कई जो हैं foreign languages के लिए इसको use किया है. देखिए, translations are not 100% accurate. Sometimes something very, very funny happens. It's happened with me in a few foreign countries, but it is better than speaking in sign languages in a foreign land. अब चलते हैं towards one of the other very interesting Google Assistant commands, and that is find my phone. देखिए, sounds very simple, seems like everybody knows about it, लेकिन उन time पे when you actually are not able to find your phone, you misplaced your phone, sofa के अंदर चला गया, गद्दे के पीछे चला गया, just ask Google Assistant for help. It will actually make your phone ring, and this works even when your phone is on silent or do not disturb mode. So really has saved my life so many times. Agla, you can actually use Google Assistant to become your brain and your memory. Just say things like, Google Assistant, remind me that I have left my wallet on the kitchen table. Agli baar jab when you will ask Google, aapka wallet kahan pe hai, it will actually tell you exactly where you left it. You can use this in many ways. Just think of all the things that you can actually put as reminders. अब इस वीडियो को close करने से पहले I'm going to tell you कि you already know the assistant has tons of other features also. Plus I've given you some that you can use on a daily basis. You can use it to, set reminders, make shopping lists, set an alarm, so much more. You can even very intuitively ask the assistant for what all it can do. वो आपको actually बता देगा, and जितने नए features आए that you never even thought of, even those it will list for you. कुछ features do are dependent on the version and the phone that you are actually using. So I'm going to give you now some things that I really love, that I really wish every phone had. जैसे कि Pixel phones में कुछ special features आ गए हैं, जैसे कि Pixel 3 and later has a call screening features. ये literally आपको बता देता है जो call आ रही है, is it spam or not, whether you should pick up or not. Very cool feature, and like I said, कुछ और phones में अभी ये आना शुरू हो गया है. And Pixel and some other phones you can also say things like OK Google टेक अ पिक्चर, यानी कि वो अपना आपका कैमरा का ऐप खोल देगा और 3 सेकंड डिले के बाद इट विल एक्चुअली टेक अ फोटो जस्ट बाय आस्किंग फॉर इट. लाइक आई सेड, कुछ और फोन में ये फीचर आ चुका है, बट नॉट इन ऑल फोन्स. दैट्स द फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग थिंग, राइट? इफ दैट मेक्स यू लिटिल एंग्री, फिर एक और फीचर आप यूज करिए विच इज एक्चुअली अवेलेबल ऑन एवरी फोन. आस्क गूगल, से ओके गूगल एंड देन से मेक मी लाफ. May not be the best humor, but you know, OK Google does really try very hard. Before I leave, I'm going to give you some fun things to try right now. बिल्कुल अभी try करिए. See what happens. You'll be surprised कि technology कितनी आगे आ गई है. Here's what you can try. OK Google, are you feeling lucky? OK Google, crystal ball. OK Google, beatbox. OK Google, can you rap? OK Google, sing happy birthday. And OK Google, goodbye. Okay, that was not me actually saying OK Google goodbye. That was me saying goodbye to you all. Thanks for watching.